Have you ever wondered where all my GitHub Copilot AI credits going? Maybe your organization has hundreds of developers using GitHub Copilot, but answering simple questions like who is consuming most of the AI credits, which models driving the highest usage, are developers using premium models efficiently? All these things are unanswered. GitHub provides AI usage reports, but most of our admins need richer visualization and executive friendly dashboards. So today we are taking a stack on that. Welcome back to TechRill. In this video, I will be demonstrating a completely open source GitHub Copilot AI credit usage dashboard that transforms raw AI usage into beautiful interactive analytics. And this complete dashboard is generated by GitHub Copilot local agent with just 2 prompts. You will learn how to monitor AI credit consumption, analyze the usage trends, identify the heavy users, and the best part is this complete source code generated by Copilot is available on GitHub so you can deploy it yourself, customize for your organization, and contribute back to the community. So let us jump in and explore the dashboard. The source code available under AIC Usage Dashboard repository, which is part of our TechRill Academy organization. You can directly clone this repository or fork the repository and install using npm install and start it. It will open your dashboard in port 3000. Provide an enterprise flag and a PAT token with the scope of managed billing enterprise. Provide start date, end date, and generate the report. So we have already generated the report here for the duration of June 1st to 30th June. This takes a little time because initially we are creating the usage report export. After that, reading each of the reports based on your enterprise size, maybe multiple reports generate and that data needs to be read from the UI. So let us try this report generation. It takes a little time based on the size of your organization. Initially, we create the usage report export. After that, read each of the exported reports and collect the data points. So based on your organization, this step may take a little time. Hold on. And I have asked my GitHub Copilot agent to provide cute, nice progress information. So it's provided this nice in conversation mode, like report is cute, bribing the billing norms with the virtual coffees, counting every token, teaching the hamster. It's a nice conversation happening here, which is put by our GitHub Copilot agent. At last, the report is ready with a 358 total rows, and the total quality or total quantity of the AI credit is shown. The time range is provided. And the first one is usage over time. Daily usage report is available here. Clicking on this daily usage report, it's provided drill down view where you can see by user, by model, organization, row records. The entire information is available. Similarly, you have the model based usage information. Cloud of Pus is used heavily. Clicking on that provide the raw data associated with this particular model, who is a heavy user of this particular model by day and organization and raw records. And we have two more drill downs here by organization and top users. And you have the complete information or user based information. Each user, how many total AI credits are used, what's the gross amount out of that, and any discount, that is the included AI credits is discounted out of this, and the net amount, payable amount apart from the license is captured here. So if you go into one of the user, it shows the users daily summarization of the quantity, daily how much AI credit this particular user is consumed, most of his AI credit usage, and the raw records. So this report provides you various views by user, by model, by the timeline, or by the organization, which will help you to understand the AI credit usage and optimize as part of your next budgeting cycle. As you have seen, understanding GitHub Copilot adoption is much more than just counting AI credits. It's about gaining visibility into how AI is used across your organization, identifying the optimization opportunities in terms of which model is used across various activities. This dashboard provides that visibility through interactive charts and the different data points based on models, users, timeline, etc. Since this code base is available, you are free to customize it based on your organization requirements. I had loved to hear your feedback, feature suggestions, and even contribution to make this dashboard even better for the community. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your team, and subscribe to TechRill for more GitHub Copilot and AI engineering content. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.